Hello and welcome back to my training. So in this video I'm going to show you how I do my YouTube intro. In case you don't know, I run a YouTube channel and I post creative design videos there. I'm just going to show you the intro so you see what I'm talking about here. This would only take a minute. So you can create using an online tool or you can create from scratch using Kinemaster. So I'll show you how to do both. Let me just look for my intro. Yeah, and I'll play it for you to see. So this is my channel intro and I'll show you how to do something similar to this in this video. So let's get started. I used an online tool for this. It saved me a whole lot of time and it's copyright free. So I'll show you the website. The website is flixpress.com. You need to sign up. If you don't have an account, you just register. You can register using your Google account. It's pretty straightforward. I'll just log into my account using my Google account. Then I'll create something similar to this. They have a free and premium plan. The free plan, you're only allowed to export videos worth 1 minute and 2 minutes, sorry. So the more seconds you use, the more your time frame reduces. So to get started, you just click on free templates, or you use this intro to sort by intro. But just click on the free template and it will show you all the intros available to you. So you can use any of this. You can use any of this for your intro. This is the one I used. It's free to use and it's commercially, you won't get any copyright if you choose to use it on your YouTube channel. So I'll click on it. You can preview it here. Then to edit it, you just click on this customize now, and it will take you to a place to add in your text. So you can choose the color frame you like. I use the blue frame. You can use the green, the red, the purple or yellow frame. I'll still use blue for this, but you can use it. Then you edit this. So I'll just put in my YouTube channel name. Now add in a tagline. I'll just make this all caps. Then here I'll make it a little bit. You can choose to add in an audio or you leave it at that. I'll just use this high tech. So I'll close this and I'll import it. Then you specify how the resolution you want. It's best to choose the highest resolution. Then when you're done, you can click on this create submit order. Then you click on yes. So your video is on its way now. You just wait a little while, then you'll be able to download. You'll be able to download it. Then when you're done, you can click on this view my orders. It's still processing. You just wait for it. Then once it's done, you can use this button to download. So that's it for this, and I'll show you another way to get more intros. You can just edit and customize to your taste. So remember Pixabay, the website I used in my graphics design course. So here, instead of searching for an image, you search for a video. Then you just click on YouTube. Just search for YouTube and it will show you all the intros, all the things related to YouTube. If you want to do like an intro, you can just search intro and it will filter it by intros. So you get all these cool effects that you can use, and all are free to use, so you are not going to get any copyright strike or anything. So you can download this and use in your design on, let's say, Kinemaster. I'll show you a video on how to design an intro using Kinemaster in my next video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Started to fall, and where